So welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, I'm GeGe and I'm a working lawyer. I started this channel to provide tips and guidance to empower women in the workplace. And today in the vlog, I walked to our neighborhood coffee shop, got some coffee in the morning. It's a little dreary today, a lot of rain, so I can't really go out. Plus I have some work to do, so I figure I'll just stay home, and I am filming in my little office right now. So this is what my office typically looks like. I've got a pretty nice setup. I have to say it's been really good for me for working from home. I have my own little space where I can have some peace and quiet when I'm on conference calls or meetings to talk about different projects or check-ins with my colleagues and all of that. So I might do another vlog in which I'll show you more of my office and what I have here on my desk. And I don't have a lot in terms of decorations. I'm really bad at decorating, so if anybody has any tips for how to efficiently decorate an office to make it look presentable with the least amount of effort, please comment below. I would love to know, because I am horrible and I've tried to find YouTube videos that teach me how to make decorations for my spaces, and I just can't find anything good on YouTube, which is weird because I feel like YouTube has everything. But anyway, so since not much is going on today, I thought I would just share some of my productivity tips since I am working this weekend. Which, by the way, is not unusual if you are looking to become an attorney. Just know that you're gonna be working a lot of weekends, especially if you're working at a large firm. That just comes with the job, so be prepared. You know, if you're not somebody who likes working on weekends, then you might want to consider going to a smaller company or even starting your own business so you have better control of your schedule, or going into government. I know a lot of friends of mine go into government after they've done a couple of years of working in the private sector because it just affords more flexibility and better work-life balance. Anyway, so productivity tips, which seems to be a really popular topic on YouTube. I thought I would share some of mine. These are a little crazy, I think. I'm not saying you should follow these tips because I think they're a little drastic, probably by the objective person, reasonable person standard, but they are how I live my life and how I stay productive. Number one is I don't watch TV. I watch a lot of YouTube, don't get me wrong, I watch entertainment, but I don't watch TV series because they just suck me into watching more and more, right? And you watch one episode, they give you a cliffhanger, you want to watch another one, and that's how they keep you tuned in, is they keep giving you a little bit of the story and keep drawing you back for more of the story. So I don't buy into that. I either watch YouTube or I watch movies, because movies, you know, like after an hour or 2 hours it ends and that's the end of the story. So that's my productivity tip number one. Number two is don't cook meals that take more than 30 minutes. I'm not a big fan of cooking to begin with. I try to make things as simplistic as possible. That's why I have a Ninja Foodie, which I featured in my holiday gift guide. If you're interested in checking out what a Ninja Foodie looks like, I'll link that video up here. Go check it out. It's so simple. You can throw everything in there, use it like a slow cooker basically, but it cooks much faster than a slow cooker. You can have your meal done in 20 minutes with your vegetables, your grains, and your protein all done in one pot. It's fantastic. It's a little expensive, but I think it's worth it because my time is money. Literally, I bill by the hour. My other productivity tip is to, instead of reading a whole book, because I don't really have time for books, I go online and get the Cliff Notes version. And recently I've discovered from a fellow YouTuber, Derek Sievers and Nate Eliason, they have great websites where they talk about, where they'll show you some books they've read and their notes on those books. I'll link it down below. Those are great websites that I've recently found that I now use to see, like, is this book worth reading, or can I just read the Cliff Notes version of it and be done? That's my other productivity tip. And my last productivity tip I want to share today is I recently came across the Notion app that seems very popular on social media. It seems like everybody's using it, at least people who are in school or a couple years younger than me. It seems to be replacing like Evernote and all these other apps out there that manage everything in one place, right? Your reminders, your task list, your journal, everything in one place. Notion is that everything in one place app. And I'll show you a demonstration of what my Notion looks like and how I'm using it. So here I have my motion to arbitrate, some law and stuff that I write down for writing a motion to arbitrate for work or any cases that might come up that need this information. I file it under knowledge, database, or workspace. Then I have these Cornell notes system, and then creative content. I love this little Jiffy that I have here, working her little magic, that cute rabbit. This is where I store like my YouTube stuff and try to come up with new content. And I'll link down below where I got this great template. Here's quick notes. I haven't used this yet, so it just came with the Notion app. Personal home, I don't know what that is really either. My journal is not really a day-to-day thing. I kind of use it to reflect on my life as a whole, thinking deeper about my life. Reading list, I've got a bunch of things going on. Don't really have any time for any of these books I want to read, but I want to at least have it down so then I'll force myself to read it. Skillshare is a side project that I'm thinking about doing. I don't have any links, but that came with the Notion app too, so thought I'd show it. So I will try to check in again with you guys once I get a better hang of how to use this Notion app and see if it's really helped my productivity. Alright, so those are my productivity tips. I hope they were helpful to you. Comment down below again if you have any productivity tips of your own that you go by that's really helped you in your life. And also, again, if you have any good ideas for how to decorate an office, please put them down below because I would love to know. I hope this vlog was enjoyable. If you liked it, please click the thumbs up button. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that my videos will be boosted by the YouTube algorithm. It would mean a lot to me to get a farther reach for my videos and get more people tuning in so they can benefit from the tips and advice I share on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.